When it comes to the consumer camera drone market, DJI has become a household name to everyone. They offer a wide range of consumer and prosumer drones, and there have been rumors circulating about a DJI Smart Watch in the early 2018. According to the leaked patent from China by DJI, we got to know of a smartwatch that DJI has been working that works with their lineup of drones such as the Phantom, Mavic, Spark and other series. According to popular DJI leaker Osita LV, the smartwatch was aimed with controlling their drones and is likely to have a single 5-dimensional joystick. Previously, we saw a sketch of the watch from Osita LV where we saw 3 physical buttons on the right side along with a 5-dimensional joystick on top right corner and another button on the left. Functions of the buttons were not confirmed, however, Osita LV claims the 5-dimensional button on the top is for controlling drones. However, that was the news of 2018 and we haven't heard anything new on the smartwatch until now when live photos of a smartwatch with DJI logo on the watch have started to emerge on November. Gizmo China confirms the news of the smartwatch being capable of controlling DJI drones along with front and rear picture of the smartwatch. The watch adopts an unusual circular design while a bezel extending at the top right corner. The extension bezel houses what seems to be a tiny joystick that may be intended to use to control the drones. From the pictures, the watch seems to be bulky and heavy, quite similar to the G-Shock series from Casio. From the leaked photos on Gizmo China, we can now confirm the previous sketch as it has 3 buttons on the right while another button on the left. There are also 4 pins that are likely to charge the device on a dock or can also be used for data transferring purposes. From this picture, you can't see the joystick button, however you can see the extension. And on this picture from Gizmo China, you can see the front of the watch with DJI logo on the bottom of the screen. The screen is circular in shape, however it's not a full circle. There is no information about the features the watch could have, however leaks suggest it will be able to control the drones. However, we have some expectation around this watch. If the watch is intended for general consumer and as well as drone pilots, then it should have all the features any standard smartwatch provides, which is activity tracking, GPS tracking, call receive, controlling music from the wrist, getting your phone's notification and capable of taking accurate heartbeat measurement, among other important features. However, it is unlikely that DJI will make a smartwatch for the consumer market. Rather, their focus is more likely to be on the drone pilots and the watch could be made specifically for the drone pilots. If that's the case, then some of the aforementioned features may not be a priority to DJI. Instead, they will only feature functions that will help improve the experience of flying a drone. I want the smartwatch to act as a beacon for the drone so that it can track its subject more precisely in autonomous flying mode like we have seen on the Skydio True drone. If DJI can incorporate that to their smartwatch, this could be a smartwatch that every drone pilot wants. That's all we could gather at this moment on the DJI smartwatch, and with CES coming up, we could see a glimpse very soon. However, there is no official confirmation on when the watch would be unveiled or if the watch would actually come to market or not. If we can come up with more details, we will make a separate video on that. For now, that's all. Thank you for watching. Hit like if you liked the video and share with your friends. Comment below and let us know what features you want on the DJI smartwatch. You can also let us know what topic you want us to cover next on the comment section. And lastly, subscribe to this channel for more videos like this.